Good morning. Today I'm going to attempt to... Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Hello. Are you going to help? Are you going to help? The washing machine won't drain, so I am going to attempt to fix it myself. It could all go horribly wrong, in which case my dad might show up in a bit, but we're going to give it a go. Now that I've got the pump out, I'm just going to take it apart and see what's clogging it up inside. There is something wedged in there. I think it's a colour catcher. Okay, I've loosened it up enough that it comes out now. There's all kinds of crap in here, it's completely gross. There's a face wipe. I'm going to show you what's just come out of this. It's going to be a bit gross, so prepare yourselves. The next challenge is going to be to see if I can put it all back together again. So far, so good. Ready to turn it on and see if it works. Hello again. It is a couple of weeks later, and the washing machine is still working. I fixed it myself. I'm so chuffed with myself for having done this. Normally I would always call in like a domestic appliance repair person to come and solve these problems for me. But I did it myself and it worked, and it's still working. So I'm really, really, really happy. It's like, I don't know, new skills that I didn't know I had, or new capability that I didn't know I had. Yeah, so it's been really great. It was a bit of a gamble. I did think that I was going to totally destroy my washing machine, but I didn't, and I solved it. So thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you following me along as I am learning how to do stuff for myself. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.